This is Miss Jess from the Pequannock Library, and this is week 2 of our animal story times for the summer. Week 1 was giraffes, so if you haven't watched that yet, check it out. It is up on YouTube and Facebook. This week, birds. So if you'd like to make this bird craft, come to the library while supplies last. Before I show you how to make this adorable little craft, I would like to share this story with you. It is called The Bird Watchers. And the little girl on this story just happens to share my name. Her name is Jess. So I thought I have to read this story. It's called The Bird Watchers. That's Jess right there. My granddad is a bird watcher. He tells me bird watching stories. He always says, Jess, when I go bird watching, things happen. And there you can see him. There's Grandpa going off to look for some birds. Once my granddad said, Jess, when I make drawings of the birds, sometimes they make drawings of me too. You see that? He's drawing the bird, and the bird is drawing him. Is that something real that could happen? I don't know. It's a very small little pad of paper, but I don't know if birds can draw. My granddad said, Jess, sometimes the birds help me when I can't find their names in my bird book. And there he is, asking the birds, hey, I'm not sure what kind of bird you are. Can you help me find your name in this book? Do you think that could really happen? I don't know. I don't think birds can read. And my granddad said, Jess, I got all the birds together one morning to record something called the Dawn Chorus, just for you. And there he is with his recording device. And the birds are going to sing a lovely song just for him. Do you think that's true? I don't know. Look at them all there. You see them? They're all in their little chorus ready to sing. I know birds like to sing, but into a microphone? My granddad said, birds are amazing, Jess, but I wasn't sure. I had to find out for myself. So one day I decided to go bird watching with him. When we got there, I couldn't believe it. She's very excited. She's gonna go bird watching with her grandpa. What do you think you need for bird watching? Maybe some binoculars? Can I see your binoculars? You go like that? Oh, I can see you. Oh, there's a bird right behind you. Watch out. Just kidding. I couldn't see anything at all. They went to go bird watching and there were no birds in sight. I wonder where all the birds are. Granddad showed me how to use his binoculars. Everything was closer, but I couldn't see anything. Nothing happened. And there she is with her binoculars. He's saying, look over there. But still, couldn't see any birds. Then Granddad took me to the bird watching hut. Granddad opened the hatch and we looked out. It was amazing. So they went to this little bird watching cabin and they peeked out through the window. What do you think they saw? Do you think they saw one bird? Do you think they saw 2 birds? Do you think they saw 3 birds? Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at all those birds. I'd never seen so many birds. Granddad said there were yellow warblers, ring-necked ducks, herons, snipe, and western grebes. We made lots of notes and loads of drawings. And there they are in their little hut, looking out the window. And there's all the birds. So many birds. Soon it was time to go. On the way back, Granddad asked me what I liked best about my first day bird watching. He wants to know, what was her favorite part? What do you think she's gonna say? Let's see. That's when I thought I'd tell him a bird watching story of my own. Granddad, I liked it best when the dancing penguins came and shared my sandwich. What? Do you think he believes that? Do you think there's really dancing penguins that came and shared her sandwich? Or is she just telling one of those bird watching stories like her grandpa did? Dancing penguins, Jess, said Granddad. I must have been looking the other way. And what's that? What are those 2 little guys following them? Those are penguins. Maybe it was a true story after all. the end. And there's the little birds drawing and reading. So maybe it all really did happen. Silly story. Very cute. Okay, now spin the camera around and show you how to make this cute little bird craft. And then I'm gonna read you one more story. So let's go. Okay, so you're gonna need everything that's in this bag. Piece of paper, feather, bird, and glue. I'm gonna use this kind of glue, but you could probably use a glue stick, but I think this one's gonna be better. So first, we're gonna fold this paper like a fan or like an accordion. So it's gonna be like a back and forth. So first, you're just gonna fold the top. And then you're gonna turn it over and fold it back the other way. And then you're gonna turn it over and fold it the other way. You might need help, so you can ask a grown-up. They can maybe get you started and then you can go back and forth. And when it's done, it's gonna look like a little fan or a little accordion. And if you want, when you come to the library, you can see we made tons of these birds in all different colors and they're hanging from the ceiling. It's pretty cool to see them kind of flying around. Okay, so now I've got my little accordion, little fan. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna slide it through the hole here. Because this, be gentle, because it's just paper, is going to be the wings. So when you get it about halfway through, you're gonna open up the paper. So it kind of looks like wings, like so. And then, if you want, you can draw a little mouth, you can draw little feathers on, but the last part of this is getting that feather to stay on the tail. So I am going to put some glue here. Glue open. There we go. I'm gonna take my feather and stick it on here. And there we go. Very own little bluebird. Cheep, 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 cheep. Now let's read that next story. That was super easy and super cute. Okay, I have one more bird story for you. It's called Shh, We Have a Plan. What? Oh, you couldn't hear me? I said, shh, we have a plan. They have to be really, really quiet because they're gonna try and catch a bird. But you know, if you make too much noise, you'll scare the bird away. So let's see what their plan is. Look, a bird. There it is. They have that little net. So they each have a little net. They're gonna try and catch that bird. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh, we have a plan. That kid was way too loud. He's gonna scare the birds away. Tiptoe slowly. Can you tiptoe? Tiptoe. Shh, very slowly. Now stop. Ready, 1. Ready, 2. Ready, 3. And catch the bird. Go! Oh, they all just fell on each other and the bird got away. Not a very good plan. Look up there. There's the bird. Hello, birdie, says the little kid. Shh, shh, we have a plan. What's that? Looks like their plan, they have a ladder. I wonder what they're gonna do with that ladder. Climbing slowly, can you climb? Let me see you climb that ladder. Climb it, climbing, 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 all the way to the top. Now stop. Shh. Ready, 1, ready, 2, ready, 3, and go! Oh no! They did not catch that bird and they all fell down off the tree. Look down there. I see the bird. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh, we have a plan. Oh, looks like he's got something there. Let's see what it is. What's the plan? Paddling. So if you're in a little boat, can you paddle? Do your little paddles. Huddle, huddle. Here we go. Shh, very quietly. Now stop. Shh. Ready 1, ready 2, ready 3, and go. Oh no, what happened? They fell off the boat into the water and the bird got away. Hello, birdie. Would you like some bread? That might work. What do you think? Do birds like bread? I think birds like bread. 1, 2, 3. There's a lot of birds. Look. They can't believe it. They can't believe what they're seeing. Oh no, so many birds. I guess they really do like breadcrumbs. They're gonna try and catch all the birds. Ready? 1, ready 2, ready. Uh-oh. That big bird over there looks a little bit angry. Like, you really think you're gonna catch my friends? Run away! Let's run. Ready? Run, 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 run. Fast, 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 fast. The birds are gonna catch them. Help! Did they get away? I don't see any birds. I think they're safe. Oh, look! A squirrel! Oh, no. Shh, we have a plan. There they go again. And the little kid's like, oh, no. So cute. Thank you for doing bird story time with me and for making the cute little craft. Remember, you can get yours in the library while supplies last. And I will see you later. Happy reading. Bye.